We'll guide you through how to create a QR code for a Google Maps location. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a QR code for a Google Maps location is really convenient because someone can go and scan it and get taken straight to the place you've gone and set. So perhaps this is for an event, or maybe just for meeting up with a friend, or maybe for a business. We'll guide you through how this can be done. First of all, you want to go and head to Maps if you aren't already there, so you can go and search for it and come to maps.google.com. Now we need to go and find the location we want to go and do this with. So go and get precise because this will be the exact location the QR code takes the scanner to. So what you can then do is go and click to go and drop a pin. So I want it just here. Then you'll go and get this pop-up at the bottom and you want to go and press the share button to the right. And then what you can do is you'll go and see the link here and you want to press copy link. Now let's go and get a QR code for this. You want to go and open up another tab and we're going to type in QR code generator like so. And the start I like to use is qr-code-generator.com. Here we can then go and paste in the link. You can right click and press paste. Here the QR code is, and you can press download. Now wait for it to download onto your computer. Within a few seconds it should, and then what we can do is come to our downloads and we're going to go and find it here. So now someone can go and scan it and get taken straight to the location.